Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cash Money Queen coming to you with another video. I'm at Mama house and we're gonna have a family dinner. This is the baked macaroni and cheese. Pig feet, y'all can't see it. There we go, pig feet. Some baked turkey wings. I'm sorry, turkey tips. And by the way, I did those 3 turkey tips, pig feet, and baked macaroni and cheese. And my mama got on deck that cabbage, y'all. Sauteed vegetables here. And a little pot of white rice. Seasoned onions inside the rice. And the seasoned sauteed onions going inside her rice. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Cash Money Queen. That's my daughter Ariana eating Doritos, doing her homework. But let me know what kind of dish y'all want us to cook up. Share the video, y'all. Share the video.